Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for coming. So, this is the phase two of the Shopify automation project. And if you have not seen the phase one, please kindly go back. So, it is WhatsApp integration. But if you already know how to integrate WhatsApp with your anything, then this phase is going to be for you. And what are we talking about? What are we going to be doing in this phase two? It is for the Shopify integration, as an automation engineer, definitely before you can say that you can automate a platform, then there's a big need for you to have done it before so that you know how it works. So with Shopify now, we need to be able to make use of Shopify. We need to be able to access the platform itself. And we know that Shopify is an e-commerce platform. So for us to be able to do that, Shopify has a partner development account that we can just create so that you'll be able to see how products are created in real life, how products are being bought, when people buy products, how does it work, when people place order, when you click on fulfilled, what happens. So that's what we are going to be doing. And it is actually very free. It is free of charge. It's a development account. So that's what we are going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing first, you need to go to partners.shopify.com. So when you come here, click on become a partner, and then yes, so it's going to ask for you to create your email. So you can either use sign up with Google or this, or you can just go straight with email. So I would use email instead. Continue with email. Let me just use this. Sign in with Google. So when you click on sign up, either you use sign up with Google or you use your email. So far your email is Gmail. So it's going to take you here. It's going to redirect you to this page, and then you have to create a passkey. So just create a passkey and then click next. So it's asking for your device passkey actually. So it's asking for your device passkey. So you have to enter your PIN. Okay. So that is made already. So that has been approved. And then just continue. So now this is the next phase. It's asking, okay, how would you like to get started as a partner? Create and set up a new partner organization or join an existing partner organization. So what we want to do here is create and set up a new partner organization. And then so what's the main focus of this? So do you want to build new Shopify store for clients, build app, build theme for the provide service for existing business, or so you can just do the first option, build new Shopify store for client, and then next. What's your country? So you're going to fill in this place. And then it's asking for your business name, address, and all that. So you need to fill up this place as well. So you just have to fill up this place, and once you fill it up, then the next thing is create partner organization. Create partner organization. So now that we have landed in, this is our dashboard. Now that we've landed here, now this is home, and then this is store. So what we need now. So now that we're here, so what we need to do now is to create a development store. Just click on this and then add store. Add store. And then this is it. Add store. So you need to fill your store name. Now this is it. Store name. So what's your store name? So I still want to use automation. Okay, it's not available. n8n automation. You can see what's happening now. Is unavailable. A URL will be auto-generated based on the store name. So n8n dash. Okay. So we're going to be using, you can see how many attempts. So we're going to be using n8n dash automation. So what you just need to do, this is not necessary. Are you building? So where's this business located? Nigeria. That's fine. Then create client transfer store. So now that we have already created our store, so our store name is n8n dash automation. So now that we're here, what we now need to do is to create a product, add a product. And so you can just add product here, add product. And so you can just give it any name. You can say whatever name. So let's just say blue sneakers. And then description. So now you need to, so you can just, okay, blue sneakers, and then the description is here as well. So you can just type blue sneakers, add description. And now this is the media. You need to upload the picture itself. So you can just download any picture, blue sneakers. Just download any pictures of your choice. So just upload new, and then locate your folder. And yes, now you have it. So just come to the price. How much is it? 32,000 naira. And then now, how many quantity is in your store? How many do you have in your store? You can just say 20. Product weight 0.8 kg. Then the color, the size. How many size do you have? Do you have another size? Do you have 45? Add it. Add. Save. So now you can see now footwear material. This is activity age. You can just leave all these ones. We are not interested in filling all this. So we just want to create a product so that we see how it looks like when we start automating. And now you can just save. After saving, we're going to have access to our store. Now, it said added blue sneakers. Now we have it. So if you now if we go back to our store, our product rather, you will see we have this, and then inventory 20 in stock. So now that we have already seen how to create a product. So what we can also do now is, let's see how we can buy. So now that we have added a product, so what we now need to do now is we need to activate our payment. So now that we have created a product, so what we now need to do is to set up a payment provider. You can see here it's even showing that, oh, you don't have a payment set up already. So you can either come here or you go to home and then you see set up a payment provider. So just click on activate. When you click on activate, you can see development store can only process test payment. So it's not a live payment, it's just a testing one. So you will have to see how it works in real time. So now you can see. So what you just need to do is just come to this place, choose a provider, and now you have this here. It's saying that for testing, you need bogus gateway. These ones are real, but for testing, you have to choose this one. So just click on it. And what is now saying now is for testing bogus. So what you need to do is you can use these following codes. in place of the credit card when checking out. Now, one is to simulate any approved transactions. Two is to simulate a declined transaction. Three is to simulate a gateway failure. Now, what it's saying is that if you want to see how approved transaction works, when you want to buy, just click on one. If you want to see how declined transaction was, click on two. If you want to see how failure or gateway failure looks like, if you want to work on it, click on three. But the thing is, we're actually not interested in all of this. It's just number one that we are interested in approved transaction because we want to buy. So it's just so we just want to make use of the one to simulate an approved transaction. We are done here. Just click on activate. So now that this is activated, so we can go to our store and then see how we can buy. So you can just go back to home here, go back to home, and then you can see online store. Click on online store, go to visit your store. And now that you're here, just click on this. So what you want to do is you want to buy this product. Just click on buy it now. Yeah, done buying. Oh, okay. Just fill up this the informations here, everything. So standard shipping. Now payment is credit card number. You can just put in one card number. Just put in one, like what I showed you the other time. 1, 2, 3. So because we want to see how successful transaction works, just put in one and then expiry date. Ensure that it is correct. Month, just do 12/26. Security number, just put 1, 2, 3. Any number is fine. I just click on pay now. And now this is it. Thank you, Damilari. Your order is confirmed. It is a successful one now. So you can see now that this is you will see the order number. Okay, so now this is confirmed. And what you can now see is if you go to your email, the email you use to buy that transaction, that product, you will see that yes, this is it. Now, see, an order was placed, and then this is your order is confirmed. This is your order number. You can see 1001. And if you now go back to your store as well, you can see orders here. Order has been placed, and you can see this is it. Order has been placed, and you can see it is unfulfilled. So which means you have not shipped it, you have not confirmed it. So that's why you are seeing it here, and you can see this is test order. Now let me say we are done. There are a lot of things we can do here, but we know that the essence of this is just for us to see how real Shopify store works, so that we'll be able to know and see what we want to automate. So now the next thing we want to do now is to integrate Shopify into n8n. So what we just need to do is let's go to our workflow. If you go to your Shopify, just click on Shopify. No, we are not using trigger. We're actually not using trigger. So we just need action. So get an order. I just want to show us the things that we need to get from Shopify, creating new credentials. You can see that we need the shop subdomain, we need the access token, and then we need the app secret key for us to have access, for us to be able to have access to our Shopify store. So what we now need to do is to go and get our shop domain, our access token, and then our API secret key. So for us to be able to get all of these credentials, what we just need to do is come to settings. This is settings here. When you are back to your admin, this is home. When you're back here, so just come straight down. You see settings, click on settings. And when you get here, you will see apps and sales channels. Just click on this. So when we land here, what you now need to do is just click on develop apps. You can see here, develop apps. So now that we are here, so what you just need to do is just come here, click on allow legacy custom app development. So you're about to allow custom. So what you just need to do is just click on allow. So now that it's allowed, so what you just need to do is create a legacy custom app, create an app name, create. So what we now need to do is we have to configure admin API scopes. Click on this. So now that we are here, so this is where we're going to give access to our scopes. Now that we're here, so this is where we're going to give access to our app. So what we want to do you want to be able to view products? Do you want to be able to create products? Or so this is where we're going to do that. So you can actually check through all of these. You can check through all of these. Now this is assigned fulfilled order. So we need this. We need this. Check branding. We really need it. So you see, the what is going to guide you with this scope is based on what you want to do with Shopify. I may tell you that you don't need this, but if what you want to do with your clients, you need it. So just go ahead. What you just need to do is you have to read through all of this and then you know what they do. Now, this is customer view or manage customers, customers address, order history, and customers group. We need it. Now, discounts, do you need it? I don't know if you're going to need it, but for our own case, we don't need it. Gift card transactions, do you need it? I don't know. You can enable it. Gift cards, you can enable it. Inventory, view or manage inventory, you can enable this. Legal policy, you can if it's going to be a robust one. You can if your client wants to see the legal policies, you can. So what you just need to do is they will just have to send a message either via WhatsApp or Telegram that okay, I need a legal policy. So it's going to fetch that for them. So now that you already have access to, you see we selected three access code. So you can just save, ensure that it is saved. Okay. So now that this is saved, you see all this scope you won't need it for every project you want to be. So I just showed you that there are a lot of scope you can you can choose. So now what we now need to do is go to API credentials. So this is where we okay, sorry. You can go and meet your Lord. Okay. That is me. Sorry. Sorry, okay. Sorry. Yeah, you can go on. Thank you. Bye. All right. So now that we are here, you can see there's no access token. So we have to see install your app first. So we need to click on install app. You can see then just click on install. Now that this is installed, now we have access to our admin API access token, and there's a need for you to. This is our admin API access token. So we just click on review token once. So once it's reviewed, you won't be able to see it again. So you can just copy it or you come back here whenever you need it, then create another one. So I've already copied my access token. So you can just paste it here. Now we need the app secret key, and then we need the shop subdomain. Okay, so just scroll down. You will see our API secret key. This is our API secret key. So you can just copy as well. Copy it, and then come here, API app secret key. And the next now is our shop subdomain. So to get our shop subdomain, so you can just see here domain. So you can just open a new tab. This is it. And when it opens, you're going to see now this is our domain. This is our domain. So you can just copy it. So now this is our subdomain. So what you just need to do is you can just copy this alone, anything dash automation, just this one alone, anything automation, and then save. Now it is connected. We have our Shopify integrated. All right. So now that we have these, the reason we are saying this is we have not filled in other ID, but the essence of this phase is just for us to integrate Shopify in our anything. Now we are done with this tutorial. So thank you very much. The next phase, that's where we're going to actually deal with the automation itself to be able to create product, to be able to access order, to be able to get cards, to be able to view the product that we have in our store. You check how many product remains and all of that. So thank you for staying with me. See you in the next phase. Bye.